Okay, hi everyone. So I'm going to show you how to fix a double space in a words or in the SDL one. It's just very similar. So for this one, let's go to the top of the document. You can go here. You can place Control F, and you can see this function coming up. Find and replace. Okay. So if you want to find, you can just put here what you want to see here. You just put one space, two space, okay, and then this put to target, and then you this one you put it search up. With that, you can search find. Okay, you can see one double space, two double space, three double space, four, and more. So you want to correct one and one by one. It will take you pretty long time to finish it. So with that, you can use function replace. Okay, the replace here, you can just go to here. Okay, go to find. You go to find here. You need to put a double space. Okay, you put one space, two space. Okay, and then with the replace here, you just need to put one space only. Okay, right? But with that, you need to turn on the track change first. Okay, so that you can use this function. Right, so again, you just put to find, and then you put one space, two space, and here again you put one space, okay, and then you put search up, and you can try to search, okay, again, but if you want to replace, you can replace one by one, but you can press here replace all, and it will work. And let's see if it work. And yeah, it just run automatically, and then it will fix it for you. So it will save a lot of your time as well. Right, so with this so you can see here a lot of extra space here were fixed. Okay, all right, so you cannot find any more double space. Let's try. It might be some missing or some other tags that it's in one two, but okay, you see no more double space. And if you go to your document, you can see here effects here. Where else? Let's check it up here. Here it fix a double space here, and let's see up here. Also here it fix here double space. Right. So with that, it will help you a lot with fixing these issues rather than go one by one. So I hope this helps a lot. Thank you so much. Please help subscribe my channel. Thank you.